So sir, speaking of coolants, are you going to use any machine to replace the coolants or you'll do it manually?
Yes, we are going to use this special machine
Okay.
to recover your coolant,
Okay.
and also it will flush the entire system,
Okay.
and also top up your coolant level.
Oh wow, so it
Yes.
will be done everything automatically at the same time?
Yes, it will be done. This machine will be attached to your cooling system,
Okay.
just like the air conditioning system. By this machine, this is only used to change your engine coolant.
Okay, okay.
So it will be precise and it will be accurate.
Yeah.
So it's a multi-stage process where your old fluid will be taken out,
Taken out,
your new fluid will be replaced,
injected.
plus your the entire cooling system will be bleeded after that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is actually very, very great because I always did not have a beautiful car like Chery's. I used to have very lower quality cars before and give them to normal workstations. And প্রত্যেকবারে দেখা যেত যে ওরা এই কুলিং সিস্টেম নিয়ে কাজ করতে গেলেই কোনো না কোনো একটা ঝামেলা করে ফেলতো এবং এই কুলিং সিস্টেমের ইম্পর্টেন্স আমরা অনেক সময় আন্ডারস্টিমেট করি। আজকে যদি আপনার রেডিয়েটরের কোনো প্রবলেম হয় এবং কুলিং সিস্টেমের কারণেই যদি রেডিয়েটরের প্রবলেমটা হয়, কোনো এসি আপনাকে সাপোর্ট দিতে পারবে না, পুরো গাড়িটা ইভেন্চুয়ালি ধ্বংস হবে। So this is actually very important.
Yes, that is why in the beginning I told that the air conditioning system and cooling system, they work together.
Okay, great.
So both the cooling system and air conditioning system should work together for you to get the best comfort.
Okay, so I have one last question. When shall I send my car to get these two services done?
You could kindly make an appointment with us
Yes.
within the next coming days.
Okay.
And we'll be most glad to help you with that.
All right,
Thank
thank
you,
you.
sir.
Thank you so much, guys.